Good morning, besties. I hope you're all doing well. I'm so motivated today, and so I just wanted to take advantage of the last days of summer and do like a reset. I'm finally tackling my beauty room. I'm so mad at myself because I kind of like moved furniture around in there and it's made such a huge difference, but I didn't film that for you guys. The before and after, wow. But I did not clean up. That's what I did not do. Like, I've not tidied up the place. It's a complete mess. So we're gonna do that together. But I just wish I filmed me moving that furniture around just so you guys could have a feel and look of how transformative it was. It looks so good, alhamdulillah. I just have to empty the dishwasher. I need to wash some clothes, organize my beauty room. I decluttered my cupboards. Each and every item I was telling myself, if I've not worn it in the past 365 days, it needs to go. It's been so good for me. I feel so lighter right now. Guys, I am uploading the Portugal travel vlog today. If you guys haven't watched that, so much fun. I just had such a great girls trip. I'm so excited to get that beauty room done. I've been pulling it off just so that I could vlog it for you guys, so please like this video and appreciate the effort I put into it. In the beauty room, my perfume stand and my IKEA makeup drawer was on that wall over there. My makeup table was over there. Now I've changed everything around. What I have done is put all of this stuff on one wall. Obviously it's a mess. So as you walk in, you have the entire layout of the room and how it looks like. There's makeup, there's clothes, bags, everything all around. That is my suitcase from my travels from 3 weeks ago. I've not even unpacked. I'm gonna transform this and make it super neat and nice. Before, when you open the door, that shelf and that drawer was on this side, and so it like really blocked the room. We're gonna do section by section. I feel like I should start at one corner and work myself through to the other corner. I don't even know how to do this. Maybe we should start from the floor and get things off the floor and back to where it belongs, just so that we can actually walk around the room. The problem that I have in my life is that I get distracted very easily. Let me go check on the washing machine and see if it's done. And suddenly I'm like, I'm hungry. Let's grab a snack. I got these crisps from Kenya. The best crisps on the planet. Let's get back to work. This just fell out of my bag right now, and y'all, you need to get an AirTag if you are a frequent traveler. I've been hearing too many horror stories of people losing their suitcases, and I'm like, I would literally die if any of my suitcases went missing because I carry my whole life in there. So I got myself an AirTag, and basically I did also get it engraved. I don't know if you can see that with my initials, but you put these in your suitcases and you can track them wherever you go, wherever you travel. I'm convinced that I need to clear out this table in order to start clearing out the makeup and putting them back to its place. So let's tackle this table now. all has been cleared. It looks absolutely beautiful. I did kind of like dump a whole bunch of stuff on the window, which is counterproductive, but we'll just ignore that for now. Most of the floor is empty. These are all empty, like bags and all the makeup bags that I just emptied out. Like there is nothing inside anymore, so I've just piled them up there while I look for somewhere to put them. Let's move on to sorting out these handbags now. I like how this is coming along. I went out a few days ago and I spilled milkshake all over my Polen bag inside. I don't know if I'm sure you can see that. Yep, you can see that. I rubbed it with warm soapy water and like a small toothbrush to take out the stain, but I feel like it's still very much visible. If you guys know a way that I could clean this, I don't know what else to do. I put it like inside out in order for me to have been able to clean it, but for now that shall do. I was so mad at myself when I did that. Like, it was the stupidest thing ever. I put a milkshake cup inside my handbag because we were entering this really nice restaurant and I didn't want them to tell me that I can't come in with my milkshake. So I put it on my handbag thinking I would strategically place it and then take it out when I'm on the table. I forgot to take it out when I was on the table. The bag toppled over and it spilled inside. Lesson learned there. I'm just going to empty all of my handbags because it has a whole bunch of stuff that I don't know, I just keep accumulating inside the handbags. Lipsticks in every bag. There's either a lipstick, there is perfumes, 1, 2, probably another one. Money. Actually, this is Kenyan money. So yeah, I'm just emptying all of the bags and putting things where they belong. Love it. If you guys want a true representation of what's in my bag, it's literally this. Mostly. So we have perfume, 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 perfume. I'm just gonna sort things out into different piles of categories. Pads. I went to Harrods the other day and I tried this new fragrance from MFK. Oh, they smell so good, but they're pricey. Then we have fragrance blotters from Floraiku. These need to go to the bin. What else do we have here? Receipts and tickets, and all these need to be thrown. What is this? Face blotters, because I have such oily skin. Lip products, put them on one pile. This is a power bank, electronics on one side. Then we have, oh, this is for my Polen bag, I think. Lip products. This is a mirror. This is lip. Money. What is this? It's for my cards. Where's my card? Put that in there. Then we have wet wipes, tissues, gum. Put these together. One sock. Gosh, I don't know where the other one is. Funny. Powder, I'm gonna put it with the mirror. We have my mic for my other camera, toothpaste, and that's about it. And a bobby pin. Is it a bobby pin? Safety pin. The floor is looking amazing. I have gotten at least 90% of the stuff off the floor. We are yet to now tackle the clothes, which is that suitcase that I've not unpacked, and this shelf. So we're gonna go here and then there and then finish up the whole room. I'll give you guys a tour as well. Remember earlier I told you guys that I did a big declutter of my wardrobes. I basically have 3 piles of types of clothes. One big pile is for donations, so another pile is to throw away, either ripped or completely worn out. And then there is another pile which is my selling pile. So I have finally opened a Vinted account. I will leave it in the description box below and you can basically shop my clothes. So I have things like this abaya, which I only wore once, I think, in my life. It's like a dress abaya type thing. It's really nice. It has these beautiful wide arms like this. And then we also have this bright yellow dress which I also wore only once to my cousin's wedding. And so yeah, I'm selling all of these on my Vinted account. I've already like sold quite a few dresses on there. I'm also selling some wedding dresses over there, so make sure to go check it out, because yeah, there's this dress that my mom wore on my wedding and it's just been sitting in our cupboard, so we decided to finally sell it. Beautiful dress, literally only worn once. So this shelf used to be my wardrobe shelf. You see that drawer that's inside the cupboard? This is what used to be inside there, and I used to like pile all my clothes in here, but it looked very messy, so I ended up finding like the perfect drawer cupboard that would fit inside that space. I was so proud of myself when I found that, you guys. Now that I have this, I just don't know what to do with it. It's sitting here. To be honest, I just leave it when I have guests in the room. They kind of use it to put their stuff on it. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, I have clean brushes in here. Yo, that is so cool. Shoes. I don't know why the shoes are in here. Like, these should be in the shoe cupboard. In terms of clothes, the best strategy that I always take is, I actually do this in anything that I organize, I always separate them into different categories of piles. I'll have like trousers, cords, tops, socks, innerwear, dresses that needs to be hanged, tops that needs to be hanged, like things for the hanger, so I don't have to like fold them right here. And that's basically how I go through my clothes. You guys remember these jeans? I bought them I think a month or two ago, and I was telling you guys how amazing they were, but they were too long at the bottom. Finally got them adjusted and I'm so happy with them. They look stunning. Finally done, and welcome to my beauty room. Look what a difference this room is at this point from what it was in the morning and what it is right now. This is insane to have done this all in one day. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a very quick tour of this beauty room because I've promised you guys for such a long time and never delivered, so here we go. This is my half of my cupboard, so here's where I put all of my coats, trousers, cords. Some of my handbags are also up there, and in the drawer is just a whole bunch of like pajamas, inner tops, etc, etc. So that's it. We have two of my pull-in bags over here. I realized how much I am obsessed with brown and black handbags because we have these two. We have a whole bunch of black over there at the top and then a few white ones. And then when you come over here, we have more brown ones. Here we have my prized possessions. These two shelves are filled with my fragrances. I'm not going to do a fragrance collection video right now. We also have more fragrances here. Body creams over here. When you come down here, we have my deodorants. Basically, I have a Salt and Stone one, Mitchum. This is a lifesaver. Then we have a whole bunch of body sprays. These are all from Sol de Janeiro. Oh my god, they're all falling apart now. Okay, let me try to put these back properly. Then we have more body sprays over here. We have Fleur. This is Vanilla Skin. Kayali's new hair mist in the scent Rose Oud. We have the original one, which is White Flower. This smells amazing as well. This is the Almond Body Spray by L'Occitane. This little thing, I just put it right now actually. I've just shoved stuff that I would need for my handbag. So like a mirror, my blotting paper, tissues, chewing gum, wet wipes. I've just put them in there. Then you come down to the bottom. We have all of my jewelry over here. We have Bakhor. These are Luban. So I have Luban, Bakhor. At the bottom, I keep all of my travel bags, travel cases or makeup cases. These are my Space NK ones. I love them so much. They come in so many different sizes and colors. I also have these mini ones from Space NK. They're so cute. Miscellaneous stuff over here. This basket, I shove my empties in here. If I finish any product, I just dump it in here. Just recently started collecting my empties because I've thrown away so many. Box is empty. This is like products that I really want. Like, then you move over this side. We have all of my makeup brushes, which I've put them in here. Alhamdulillah, they're literally all clean. These are my makeup drawers. So we have my eyeshadow palette, setting spray, setting mist over here. This is everything to do with hair. This is, oh, these are also extras. So like extra hand creams, extra deodorants, more hand cream, body washes, shower gels. Oh yeah, more deodorants. These should be here actually. You guys can see how much I love Mitchum, right? My sunglasses, wet wipes, extra tissues, extra cotton buds. This is my travel drawer. So all of my miniature stuff are in here. So like I love my mini glow recipes. They're small in size and they're easy to take around with. I have this one that's already packed and ready to go whenever I travel. Like I literally just take this out, use whatever's inside. If anything's finished, I top them up from whatever's in here. This is my documents drawer. And then last drawer, also we have stuff that I really love that I keep in stock. Then you move on to my mirrors, my prized possession. I've not had this table clean in such a long time, not gonna lie. Here I put random skincare, makeup in here, what I use all the time. In here we have like all my cameras, tripods, lights, more filming stuff in here. This is, what is this? I think extra stuff. Over here, this is my lashes drawer, literally just filled with lashes. I'm obsessed with these no glue stick lashes. I'm obsessed with half lashes, my powder drawers, and also my foundations, CC creams. Lastly, we have my lip drawer. So these are all glosses, these are all lipsticks, and then these are lip liners. And that's basically it. I am so happy with how it has come out. It's so clean right now. I can come in here, actually film in here because I've not filmed in here for the longest time. I need to hang those clothes, shower as well because I feel icky. I'm glad like I cleaned up first and then like we shower at the end, because you know that shower is really like a reward. It's like a reward for a long hard working day. You reward yourself with a good shower and a good meal. So we're gonna do that later on.